let's take a look at this check it out series. In this one, I recommend you to watch a show called Grinder. Two of the stars of the show are Fred Savage from Wonder Years and Rob Lowe from West Wing and Park and Recreation. It's a really funny show where Rob Lowe plays a lawyer in a TV series, and Fred Savage is a real lawyer in the TV series. Rob Lowe quits the TV series and wants to become a real lawyer. That's the plot of the series. This creates some really unusual situations, and it's really funny. This is also making fun of the celebrity culture nowadays. It airs on Fox. It started on September 29th, 2015, so it's quite a new show. Season 1 just ended, and it has 18 episodes, so quite nice. Check it out.